Okay, in this video, we will learn about line heights in CSS. So let's get started. As usual, we will go to our documentation at MDN. It is the line height documentation here. And as you can see, line height can be normal. It can be a number, and this number has a significant value. This number is a multiplier of the font size. So for example, if your font size is 10 pixels, then if we set the line height to 2.5, then the line height value will be 25 pixels, like 10 into 2.5. That is all. Then we can add a fix, something like this 3em, or some pixels as well, something like 32 pixel and so on. And we can add the percentage as well. So let's check it out in action. So we have these paragraphs. So let's go here, and here what we can do something like line height. Okay, line height, and we can do something like 20 pixel. Save and go to the browser. And now you might be wondering, okay, we have set the 20 pixel, but why the line height got shrunk? And this is because what is our current font size? If I go here, the current font size, if I can, yeah, the font size is currently 30 pixel, which is inherited from body. So basically the font size is bigger than the line height, and that is why it is apparently shrinking down. Okay, so if I just go here and change it out to something like something 40 pixel, something like that, and go here, now it is now evenly spaced out. And as you can see here, there is a problem, because if we are not able to see the font size without opening the developer tools, you are not able to see the font size, right? So if we are not aware of the font size, then we cannot set a proper line height. In that case, what we can use something like a number, which we have discussed. So I can do 2.5 and hit save and go to the browser. And as you can see, the line height, if I just go here, so let me just check. Okay, so for the paragraph, basically the paragraph is selected, font family, height, line height is now 75 pixels. So as you can see, it is changing according to the font size. So if I just make, I will just cut it out here from here and paste it down here. Okay, and let's make the font size a little bit smaller, something like 10 pixel. So now as you can see, okay, so if I just shrink it down a little bit, so as you can see, the line height got shrunk down as well according to the font size. And if I just do something like what do you call 60 pixel, something like this, and if I go here, now the line height is adjusted according to that. So if you want to space out the lines in your text, basically, then you will use the line height to do that. So if I just do 2 and go here, so now our text is now quite spaced out. Okay, so this is basically the line height. And I will just here go with the, once again, let's go with 20 pixel. Yeah, this is looking good. So this is basically the line height in CSS.